Hi, in front of me is OnePlus Nord N100, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type LED keyboard, misclick, and download this app from this developer. Now open it and click Get Started. Tap OK. Click on the switcher next to LED keyboard and click Turn On. Now OK again. Tap on Input Options and click LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and choose Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!